On the table are several vacuum flasks. The vacuum flask was first invented by Scottish scientist James Dewar in the year 1892. It was originally designed to keep extremely cold liquefied gas, such as liquid hydrogen. For more than 100 years, the design hasn't been changed too much. Let's take a detailed look of a vacuum flask. This is the top cover. This is the inner cover. It's made of plastic with trapped air inside. This is the bottom support. Here is the main body of the vacuum flask. The inner part is a plastic container. As you can see, its thick wall is a double-walled vacuum flask with silver layer inside so as to prevent energy loss by conduction, convection, and radiation. The main purpose of the inner part is to protect the glass vacuum flask from breaking. This is the inner cover. It's made of plastic with trapped air inside. Why we trap air inside the cover? Why the inner cover is made of white color? This is the bottom support. Why the bottom support is made of plastic? Think about that.